decided to wait until the next day to show you guys what it looks like while it's drying. And I don't know if you can see that, but there are so many clumps and little bits of paint in here. And it's probably about 60% dry. It's still very wet in the center, but there are so many clumps of paint in here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about it to get them out. It's really best to get them out while the paint is still wet. You know, like right after you get done pouring. And as you can see in the video, I spent quite a bit of time at the end, you know, picking out all the bits that I seen as I was tilting the canvas, but there are still so many that were left behind and got trapped in the paint. So I don't know. Guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. And it's a pretty big canvas. It's 2 foot by 2 foot, or 24 inches by 24 by 24 inches. So it's pretty unfortunate that this happened, but this can happen when you do not strain your paints. And I think it was that lighter purple there that I had mixed up right before I started pouring, and I just forgot to strain it. And yeah, this is what happens. So just stay tuned to see more of this, to see what I decide to do with it once it completely dries. But other than that, I absolutely love the painting. The colors are amazing, and it's shimmered throughout this entire painting. That white area is pearl white. So I still like to see what it looks like completely dry, but as I can see here, it is going to dry clumpy. So yes, stay tuned to see what I do with this painting, see if I try to recover it or not. But yeah, this is what happens when you don't strain your paint. All right, thank you guys for watching.